Login failed on Acorns Spend Fix. You open the Acorns app to check your spend account or round up savings, but instead of your balance, you see login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry, this is one of the most common and easily fixed issues in the app. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Acorns requires a secure, active connection to verify your credentials. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, disconnect and switch to mobile data or a trusted network before trying again. Next, test your credentials by logging into Acorns on a web browser. If your username or password doesn't work there, reset your password directly on the website. Acorns enforces strict login security, so even a minor password change can block access on the app until you update it. If your login works on the web but fails on the app, update the Acorns app to the latest version. Outdated apps can fail authentication when security protocols are upgraded. Visit your app store, tap Update and relaunch. Still seeing an error? It could be tied to your linked accounts. If one of your connected banks or cards recently updated its security process, Acorns may temporarily lose access. Tap Reconnect next to that account and re-enter your banking credentials. Also, check your device settings, make sure Acorns has permission to use your network and that background data isn't restricted. If you recently enabled two-factor authentication, confirm that you're entering the correct verification code from your phone or email. Missing this step can trigger a login failed message even when your password is correct. Finally, be patient. Acorns occasionally perform scheduled maintenance, and during that time, logins might fail temporarily. These issues usually resolve within a few hours. So next time your Acorns Spend login fails, don't stress. Check your network, reset your credentials, reconnect your accounts, and update the app. Within minutes, your login will work again, and you'll be back to growing your savings automatically.